if you want to remove the search icon on your Shopify, you can do that easily. Now first you want to go to your Shopify, okay, and click on home in the top left. Now what you need to do, guys, next you want to click on online store here, and then you want to click on, you either find here 3 little dots or actions. Now you want to click on actions or 3 little dots, and then you want to click on edit code. Okay, now first you want to search for this. Okay, you want to search for base, and you want to click on base.css, as you can see, and you want to scroll down at the very bottom. Okay, and as you can see here, you want to paste a code that I am going to add in the description of this video. Just click on Ctrl V. Now after you paste here the code, you want to click, let's just, like, as you can see, now I have the search. After I click on save, as you can see, asset saved. Now if I go to my Shopify, I won't be able to see the search icon here. So that's exactly, guys, how you can remove the search icon on your Shopify. If this video helped you, please drop a like. If you need any help, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys next video.